Today, I'll show you how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to adjust a user's role and access without accidentally changing anything you don't intend to. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin or setup permissions, otherwise you won't be able to change other users' settings. If you have multiple Zoho apps, double check that you're actually in Zoho CRM, not Mail or another product. Once Zoho CRM is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Setup or Settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where most of your configuration options live, including user management, security, automation, and more. Anytime you need to adjust how your CRM behaves, this is typically where you'll start. After clicking the gear icon, a settings page or panel will appear. Here, look for the section related to users or user management. You should see an option labeled Users. Click on Users. This will take you to a list of all the people who currently have access to your Zoho CRM account. On the Users page, you'll see a table or list view showing each user's name, email, role, and possibly their profile or status. Take a moment to find the specific user whose permissions you want to manage. It can help to scan by name or email address or use any search bar provided on the page if there are many users in your organization. Once you've found the right person, click on that user. This opens their user details page or a panel with more information about them. Here you can usually see their current role, profile, and sometimes additional settings that determine what they can and cannot do inside the CRM. Now, to change the user's permissions, look for a pencil icon next to their role or in the top right of their details section. The pencil icon represents edit. Click on the pencil icon. This switches the view from read-only to editable, allowing you to modify their settings. Within the edit view, you'll see an option to change the user's role. The role typically controls where the user sits in your CRM's hierarchy and what records they can access based on ownership and sharing rules. Click on the role drop-down and choose the new role you want to assign. For example, you might switch someone from a standard sales role to a manager role or from a restricted role to one with broader access. As you select the new role, make sure it aligns with what this person actually needs to do. Giving a role that's too powerful can expose sensitive data, while a role that's too limited can prevent them from doing their job effectively. If you're unsure what each role means, it can be helpful to have your organization's role structure handy or quickly review your role definitions in another tab before confirming. Once you're satisfied with the selected role, scroll if needed and look for the Save button. Click Save to apply the changes. Zoho CRM will update the user's permissions based on the new role you assigned. In many cases, the change is effective immediately, so the next time that user works in the CRM, they'll have the new level of access. That's all there is to it. Go to Zoho CRM, open the settings, choose users, select the right user, click the pencil icon to edit, change their role, and save your changes.